Would you believe me if I told you there's a single spice that can boost your brain power, fight off aging, and even shield you from chronic diseases? Sounds too good to be true, right? But science has spoken, and turmeric, the golden spice, is nothing short of a miracle. Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll not only know why turmeric is a must-have in your daily diet, but also how it could change your life. Let's get started. At the heart of turmeric's magic is curcumin, the compound responsible for its bright yellow color and incredible health benefits. But here's the catch. Most turmeric powders only contain about 3% curcumin. Yet, in that small percentage lies its superpower. Curcumin is a natural anti-inflammatory, which means it helps your body combat the silent, invisible inflammation that leads to diseases like heart problems, diabetes, and even cancer. Exciting, right? But there's more. Studies have shown curcumin can also boost your brain's levels of BDNF, a protein linked to improved memory and focus. Translation: sharper thinking, faster learning, and less brain fog. But what if I told you turmeric isn't just about your brain or chronic diseases? It's also your secret weapon for glowing youthful skin. Let's talk about that next. Turmeric and anti-aging benefits. Here's the deal. Aging isn't just about getting older. It's about how you age. And turmeric? It's one of the most powerful tools to slow down the clock. Its antioxidants combat free radicals, those harmful molecules that damage your skin cells and lead to wrinkles. The result? Youthful, radiant skin that makes you feel confident every time you look in the mirror. But it's not just about looks. Turmeric also protects your DNA. Disease prevention with turmeric. Let's face it, many of us worry about illnesses like heart disease or diabetes, especially if they run in the family. But here's the hopeful news. Turmeric has been shown to reduce risk factors for these major diseases. How? By improving blood flow, lowering cholesterol, and regulating blood sugar levels. Studies even suggest that curcumin can target cancer cells while leaving healthy ones untouched. Think about that. One small addition to your daily diet could act as your first line of defense against life-threatening diseases. Why wouldn't you give it a try? But wait, it's not just about the big diseases. Turmeric can help you feel amazing day to day by improving your gut health. Let me explain. You know that gut feeling everyone talks about? Turns out, it's more important than you think. Your gut is home to trillions of bacteria that impact everything from your mood to your immunity. Turmeric acts as a natural prebiotic, feeding the good bacteria and creating a healthy balance in your digestive system. And the benefits don't stop there. A healthier gut also means a stronger immune system, your body's personal army against colds, infections, and even stress. Imagine feeling energized and unstoppable just by sprinkling turmeric into your meals. But here's the real question. How do you make turmeric work for you? Let's uncover the secrets to maximizing its benefits. Here's something most people don't know. Turmeric on its own isn't enough. To unlock its full potential, you need to pair it with black pepper and a healthy fat, like olive oil or coconut milk. Why? Black pepper increases the absorption of curcumin by up to 2,000%. Without it, most of the benefits go to waste. So, get creative. Add turmeric to your smoothies, soups, or even your skincare routine. The possibilities are endless, and every small step brings you closer to a healthier, stronger you. Turmeric, often referred to as golden spice, is renowned for its powerful health benefits, primarily attributed to its active compound, curcumin. This vibrant yellow spice is a potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant, making it a valuable addition to any diet. Curcumin helps combat chronic inflammation, a key contributor to many age-related diseases like heart disease, diabetes, and arthritis. Additionally, it supports brain health by boosting levels of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF, which may reduce the risk of neurodegenerative conditions like Alzheimer's disease. Turmeric also enhances liver function by promoting the production of bile, aiding in detoxification and digestion. Studies suggest that curcumin may lower the risk of certain cancers by inhibiting the growth of cancerous cells and reducing angiogenesis. Its immune-boosting properties make it a natural shield against infections, while its ability to regulate blood sugar levels benefits those at risk for diabetes. Whether consumed fresh, powdered, or as a supplement, turmeric is a nutritional powerhouse that supports overall health and longevity. Turmeric is a natural remedy that can help restore balance to the endocrine system and address hormonal imbalances due to its powerful anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and adaptogenic properties. The active compound in turmeric, curcumin, plays a significant role in regulating hormone levels by reducing chronic inflammation, which is often a root cause of hormonal disruptions. Curcumin supports the liver, the body's primary detox organ, enhancing its ability to process and eliminate excess hormones such as estrogen, which can contribute to conditions like estrogen dominance and irregular menstrual cycles. Turmeric also helps regulate cortisol levels, the body's primary stress hormone, promoting a more stable stress response and improving adrenal function. Turmeric isn't just a spice. It's a gift of nature that has been treasured for thousands of years. From fighting inflammation to boosting your brain power and transforming your skin, this golden spice has the power to change your life. But don't stop here. Imagine what else you could achieve with small, powerful changes like this. Click on the video on your screen right now to learn about more health-boosting superfoods that could take your well-being to the next level. Trust me, you won't want to miss it. Let me know if you'd like this further. Ha ha.